Take a ride in the 2018 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, tow hitch, lane departure warning, power lift gate, power passenger seat, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.